There are multiple ways to take backups from our MySQL information. In this video, I'll be talking about one of those methods, that is using CSV files. I'll be taking a backup from this students table and store the information of it inside a CSV file. Then I will delete the information on the server, and then we'll try to restore the information from that CSV file for you to see. First of all, open the parentheses and type select and type some labels to go above the CSV file. I just mentioned the exact column name here to make it more clear. ID, first name, last name, and score. Then I do a union and then select ID, first name, last name, score, and this time I'm pointing to the exact name of the tables from the students, and close the parentheses. Now I type into out file, and let's call it backup.csv, then fields terminated by comma and closed by double quote, and lines terminated by \n, and this is the whole command. Now I have taken the backup and have stored it in a file called backup.csv that is saved on the directory of this database on my local machine. So let's take a look at it. I open a new terminal window and navigate to take a look at the folder that is supposed to be created at sudo ls var lib MySQL as the default directory of MySQL installation on Linux systems, and then MySQL_tutorials folder, since MySQL creates a new directory for each database. And here we have the backup.csv created. Now let's take a look at it by doing cat and then backup.csv, and these are the data that has been taken from the server, and this is the label. These are the labels here. Whatever we type here will be going at the top of the CSV file. Okay, now let's remove these information from the table by doing delete from the students, and it will remove all data. If I do select all from the students, I won't see anything anymore, an empty set, since we have remove the data. And now let's restore the information from this CSV file into the table, so we again have all these records on the table on the MySQL server. First of all, I'd like to set the auto increment to 1 for this table again, so I do an alter table the students and then auto increment to 1. Now I type load data in file, then the name of file, backup.csv, and then into table the students, the name of the table, and then fields terminated by comma enclosed by double quote, lines terminated by \n, standing for line break, and ignore one rows or lines. And this will import the data from our CSV file. Now if I do select all from the students again, we'll see that the data is back. And this is how we can use the CSV format to take backups and restore backups in MySQL.